You know what, twin? I can't do this shit with you no more, bro. No, this is what you told me. You said, I'ma be on the game at 9 o'clock. Where was you at? Where was you at? I had to run solo. I had to play with randoms. Do you know how that feels? To play with a fucking random? Carrying every fucking game on my back. Fuck you. Don't you ever fucking join my party again, bro. You hear me? Oh, I was busy. I was eating. I fell asleep. You think I give a fuck about any of that? No. I told you to get on the fucking game. When have I ever missed a game for you, huh? I've known you since you were a baby. You pathetic freak.